As you can see, I make sure my trailer is not touching the side of the road. And right now we're gonna try to go. And if you feel like you heavy, gravity is pulling you down, always make sure you put your four-way flashers if you're going less than 40-45 miles. Okay, like what I'm doing, right now. Oh shoot, is that a way station coming? I think so. Yeah. All right, I think there's a way station coming here. Yep, I was dodging one, and then guess what, one is on the way. Wait station